very fortunate to have partners with Boys Home for such a beautiful location for everybody to come and fish. All fishing laws do apply, although you don't have to have a license because of your age and stuff down here. Parents, you can cast for your child if they need you to, but you have to turn the pole over to them. They must land the fish and reel it in themselves, and then obviously you can help remove it from the hook and everything, okay? Fishing will start as soon as I let you guys go. We do have lunch that will be provided. We'll probably start eating around 11:30. Fishing runs until noon. So after that, we do ask everybody, you can go up to the picnic shelter up here at Boys Home, is where we'll be cooking hot dogs, drinks, chips, all that good stuff, okay? We do ask that nobody fish on this side unless you're under the bridge, okay? We don't allow any of that. Fish were stocked all the way from here, all the way around towards the bridge. So there's plenty of fish in there for everybody. Please, use one pole, okay? We don't want people multiple pole fishing or anything like that. Be respectful of everybody. There's a whole lot of people here. Everybody's here for the same reason, to have a lot of fun. When you catch your limit, which your limit is 6, or if you're just done fishing and you have 1 or 2 or whatever, you must come in and weigh them in here at this table. You got to register it, okay? Kind of how we, justify how many fish we put in, and we like to see how many come out also, okay? It was stocked with rainbow trout. We ask if you catch any kind of native fish, please release it unless it's been injured enough, and then we want you to check those in as well, okay? I ask anybody, my people here, did I forget anything? Did you add? Make sure you register over here at this tent. If you have not registered, please register. We need to get a good head count on everybody. We do have a casting competition that's going on over here in this little field. We ask that you, participate in that. There will be prizes awarded for the winners of those competitions. At the meal, when we have that, we'll also do just kind of like a door prize drawing for people that are here and give away lots of prizes like fishing poles and tents and chairs and different stuff like that, okay? We ask that you have a good time. It's a beautiful day. Get your spots and start on fishing. Thank y'all for coming.
Y'all from?
Clifton.
You're from Clifton Forge, and what did you catch? What'd you catch this morning?
Trout.
Trout?
Trout.
You have had 6, what is your name?
Christian.
You've been fishing for a long time?
No, not that long. Well, actually, yeah. I've been fishing since I was little.
Looks like really nice fish. And you can catch, what, 3 more?
2.
No, 2 more.
Good job.
What's your name? Brandon?
Brandon.
And how you doing this morning?
Good.
What are you using for bait?
Validate, pink floater.
So is this a good day for fishing?
Yeah, this is a good day. They stocked yesterday. Hang on that blue one.
What will you be catching today?
Rainbow trout.
Any success so far?
No.
They're having a little equipment issue, man.
So where are you fellas from?
Cubby.
And how's the fishing today?
Pretty good, I reckon. For him.
What's the secret? It looks like you're close to your limit.
Yeah, just one more. Tell him what the secret is. Salmon peach. Tell him. Say salmon peach power bait.
Peach power bait. What's the secret down here? Is it power bait as well? What's the secret down here?
But salmon peaches, that's the best stuff.
You ain't getting it.
Misty Bill.
Where are you fellas from?
Covington.
And looks like success.
Yes, sir.
I touched it.
And the secret is
Throw your line in the water. That's all I can tell you, Captain.
So where are y'all from?
Covington.
And how's the success been today?
Not too bad. Braden from Sadie's got two. He's got one so far.
Any special bait working better?
Rainbow fire bait. It's going pretty good.
So where are y'all from and what kind of success have we had today?
I only had one fish.
One fish.
Maddie, look at him and talk to him.
How are we doing down here?
She's doing good. She's caught 3 so far.
Where are y'all from?
We're from just outside of Iron Gate.